War day number 882. 882 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, July the 24th, 2024. We have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only 3 irregular puzzles: the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. There are no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So today only 3 regular puzzles, and tomorrow, maybe we will have an additional. But today, no additional, no extra puzzles. All right, that's all. Okay. The first puzzle I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. This one will be numbered, I believe, 8957. Yeah, 8957. Let me position the camera first. This is not working. Alright. 8957. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. Yeah, a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. You see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left with 7 should be there. Alright. Then 4. Need 7 here. 8. In this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left with 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4. Need 4 here or there. Okay. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Need a 7 here. Okay. We have a 1 and a 9 in this column. The 1 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 in the column next, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. 7 in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Okay. Need the 8 here. I need 6 there. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have 6 and 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in this box. We have 6 and 8 in the first row, so no 6 and 8 in that box. So 2 boxes left in the middle column for the 6 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2, 5, I need a 3 here. Okay. Then 6, 6. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and 4 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So we have a 2 and a 4 in this column, 2 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next, so in the last column. Only 2 places left for the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in the last column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Then, how about the 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this column, first column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this first column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number, I believe, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, same numbers, I believe. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5 cannot fill this yet. Here also 7 and a 5 in this column. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 8 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, actually, it should be a 0 stars, faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.